Sheesh. Girl, I'm about to have a panic attack. I did the work, it didn't work. That truth it hurts, that damn it hurts. That lovey-dovey shit was not a fan of it. I'm good with my friends, I don't want a man, girl. I'm in my bed, I'm too fine to be here alone. On the other hand, I know my worth, and I keep calling me. Why do I feel like this? What's happened to me? Oh, oh, oh.
Let's learn Am I Ready? It's choreographed by Gregory Danvoie. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing all 4 walls or a full rotation of the dance so you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Am I Ready? Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right toe strut. So you take your right toe, bring it to the side, drop your right heel. Now we're going to do a left crossing one. So you're going to cross your left toe over your right, drop your heel. We're now going to do a side chasse, rock back, recover. So we're going to step our right foot side, left together, right side, and you're going to take your left foot and rock it back behind your right and recover. Let's try that a little bit quicker and then we'll do it with counts. Side toe strut, side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, recover. With some counts. Toe strut 1, 2, cross 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to step our left foot to the left side for section 2. Step your right foot behind your left. Make a quarter turn stepping forward with your left foot. You're now at 9, and you're going to scuff your right foot into a rocking chair. Step your right foot forward, recover back on your left, step your right foot back, recover onto your left foot. Let's try that with some counts. We ended section 1 with our weight on our right foot, starting section 2 with your grapevine quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're gonna hop forward, right, left, and clap our hands. So you wanna hop forward, shoulder width apart, going right, left, and then clap, and then you're going to do that again, right, left, clap. Now we're gonna do a Monterey half turn. So you're gonna point your right toe to the right side. As you bring your right foot into your left, you're gonna make a half turn over your right shoulder. So you wanna use your shoulders, slightly turn them towards the left side for some leverage. And you're going to turn over your right shoulder to face the 3 o'clock while bringing your right foot into your left. Point your left toe to the side, and then you are going to step together. Let's try that with some counts. Jump it forward. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To end the dance, our final section, section 4. We're going to put our right heel into the right diagonal and then step our right next to our left. You're now going to tap your left heel into the left diagonal, step your left next to your right, and we're going to do a jazz box cross, crossing our right over our left, left foot back, right foot to the side, and cross your left over your right to end the dance. Let's do that part with some counts. Right heel first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's do that front wall all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your right toe strut. Right side toe strut, left cross toe strut, side chasse, rock back, recover. Side behind, quarter scuff, rocking chair. Now hop right left, clap right left, clap, point half turn, point step together. Heel step, jazz box cross. Let's try it with some counts. Toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back wall, I'm going to do steps. And on the side walls, I'm going to use counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your toe strut. Side toe strut, cross toe strut. Side shuffle, rock back, recover. Side behind, quarter scuff, rocking chair. Now hop, out, clap, out, clap, Monterey half turn. Heel step, jazz box with a cross toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side toe, strut, cross toe, strut, side chasse, rock back, recover. Grapevine quarter turn with a scuff, rocking chair. Jump out, Monterey half turn. Heels, heel step, jazz box with a cross toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You don't have to worry about anything. I hope this helps you learn. Am I ready? If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.